When I started my business, I guess it was more of what you'd call like a side hustle. I was creating for the sake of creating, and if I made a little money too, that's great. But I was buying a lot of like wooden sign blanks, pendants for jewelry, just cutouts, things that I was modifying with my vinyl cutter and painting by hand, which is great, but I felt very constrained by my options. Maybe I wanted different materials, maybe I wanted different sizes, and stuff wasn't coming as fast as I needed it to, so I started researching how can I just make this stuff myself, and I settled on the Glowforge, and it has just been the best decision I've made for my business. Unfortunately, or I guess rather fortunately, a lot of my coolest Glowforge creations have sold, but I do have a few here today that I'd like to share with you. These are proof grade acrylic that I cut and engraved with a snowflake design, and these didn't require any kind of like paint fill or anything because the proof grade acrylic just engraved so nicely, and these were my best sellers this winter, so I'm very happy with these. These are walnut hardwood that's proof grade with a nice teal acrylic inlay, and while these are a little bit more complex to make, it's all about letting the material shine and speak for itself, and the walnut proof grade is some of my very favorite to make jewelry out of. I basically went from having an idea, ordering what I needed, maybe being able to work on it at the end of the week, maybe next week if my priorities hadn't changed, if that spark is still there, to now with the Glowforge, having an idea, making it, and having it on my store by the end of the night. That has just given me the creative freedom that I needed, and it's just been a super inspirational and fun journey. Now I'm kind of the person that people come to when they want a blank or a pendant for their own business, and so it's kind of created this microcosm of small business and creators supporting creators, and I just think that's awesome.